Looking better as a guy is really optimal for your confidence and self-esteem levels. Having an attractive look doesn't only make you feel better, but makes whatever you have to say sound important. In this video, I'm going to show you just 3 simple steps to look your best without spending hundreds of dollars. Stay till the end for the bonus tip. If you are yet to sub up, this is a cue to do so. Alright, let's dive right in. Number 1. Haircut. Being sexy, or say looking better, starts with a nice haircut. Take time to find the haircut that suits your face shape and accommodates your face parameters if you use glasses. Sometimes the only thing dimming your glow is your haircut. Buzz cuts, fades, dreads, braids, and tappers are one of many choices you could go for. Next up, consider having shaped out beards. By doing so, you will complement your haircut and fine-tune your face shape. Do not just leave your beards looking all raggedy and unkept. You'll look unattractive before you know it. Number 2. Skincare. To look better, incorporate serums and skin treatments that target specific skin concerns, such as brightening, evening out skin tone, or boosting hydration. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin C, glycolic acid, retinoids, and licorice extract. Make sure you seek help from a licensed dermatologist. By doing so, you will bring out your brilliance and your facial glow. Prioritize moisturizers to avoid having a dried-out flaky skin. Another important step you should consider is clean bed sheets and clothes. This is a very important step you must take to look better. You see, throughout the day and night, our skin produces oil or sebum and collects dirt, sweat, and dead skin cells. These substances can transfer onto your bed sheets, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. Then, once you wake in the morning and see a pus-filled pimple, you begin to wonder how it got there. Change your sheets regularly and have clean wears to maintain an attractive look. Number 3. Style maxing and grooming. Style maxing not only elevates your self-esteem, but also your glow. Wear appropriate and high-quality fabrics. Wear what you are most comfortable with. To look better as a guy is all about what you wear. My advice is that you should be a minimalist. Do not dress for anyone else other than yourself. Prioritize monochromic, solid color cloths with little or no graphic designs to maintain simplicity. Male grooming is another important aspect of your glow. Begin proper skincare, use deodorants and perfumes. Oral care should be on point as well. Avoid messy spaces or areas at all costs. Do well to wear freshly pressed out clothes and fits. Dude, begin to wear moderate accessories like rings and necklaces. Once you grasp the knowledge of style maxing, you automatically look better. Looking better doesn't necessarily mean spending thousands of dollars at a clothing store. Starting out with these 3 crucial steps would not only save you from the cost, but would also boost your self-confidence, awareness, and aura. Do well to check out our meal menu guide, gym guide, and our 90-day glow-up regime with the link in the description.